Welcome back to day 2 of my How to Teach Abroad series, 30 days of giving you straight content about how to teach abroad. Yesterday, I gave a brief introduction of myself and my experience, and today I'm going to talk about all the benefits of teaching abroad. Now, I don't know if I can fit all of them in this short video, but I'm going to give you the heavy hitters. Number 1 coming in hot for me was no out-of-pocket expenses. Now, let me clarify that. For example, I am in Doha, Qatar, and I also taught in Kuwait. When you come specifically to the Middle East, baby, they take care of you. You're going to get an apartment with all expenses paid, nothing out of pocket. I'm talking about light, water, get whatever you're paying at home, you're not going to pay when you get here. Now, there are some expenses if you want to go ahead and do like Wi-Fi, but also some places do come included with that, so make sure you check for those specifics. All 3 of my placements actually have paid for my cell phone bill, and even if you had to pay for it, it's going to be a lot less than you'd be paying for it in the States. So off top, coming over here and not having to pay any bills, and I know rent is $1 million in America for a shack. So off rip, that is my number one benefit to moving abroad. The other thing, this is specific to the GCC region, having a tax-free salary. So all the money that I make here in Doha and all the money that I made in Kuwait is mine. So having a tax-free salary and no expenses as far as home things, that's a winning combo. Number 3, the ability to travel. At this point in my life, I've been to about 30 countries, and younger me would have never thought that would be possible. I didn't grow up in a family who traveled a lot. I didn't grow up in a family who had their passports, none of the above. So the fact that I have accomplished this at the age of 31, for me personally, is an amazing goal. So if you also have goals of traveling and seeing the world, teaching abroad is an excellent way to do that. Specifically teaching in the GCC. This is such a beautiful location because I'm right here near Africa, Asia, Europe. Everything seems like it's a hop, skip, and a jump away, and I really love that. So granted though, the GCC is not the only place that you can teach abroad, but we'll get into that later. Number 4 is being immersed in a different culture. I think a lot of times coming from Western countries, we're so used to saying the same thing and the same people and the same ideas and the same concepts. And so it's really a beautiful thing when you take yourself out of that space and immerse yourself in a different culture, a different people, different language. It definitely can be challenging at times, but I feel like it's such a beautiful experience once you get to the end of it. And number 5 is the relationships that you will build abroad. I am still best friends to this day with women that I met when I was in Kuwait, like legit, like I'm texting them right now on my phone. So I think there's something so beautiful about coming to a place where you don't know anybody at all and building relationships with people that you may not have met, that you didn't even know existed before that, and the only thing you have in common to start with is that you moved to this place, and then you develop these relationships, you build friendships, you learn more about people, and you build your own little community. And I think that is something so beautiful about moving abroad. So those are just 5 of my personal benefits, or what I think are benefits to moving abroad. Let me know if you want a part 2 for this video, because I probably can make a part 2 to it. And stay tuned for tomorrow's video. We are on a roll. And number 3 is going to be high demand countries. So there is a lot of variety on where you can go to teach abroad, and I will be telling you all about that. Leave a comment if this video was helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button. Share with a friend who's thinking about teaching abroad. And don't forget, this Saturday I will be going live to answer all of your questions about teaching abroad. So check my stories, because I'm doing a poll to figure out what time would work best for everyone, and I would love to hear your feedback on that. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. See ya!